FCRA is retroactive, huh?
Very much.
That means even from before.
No, that they didn't. That provision is not there in the bill now. But actually, it's a hijacking bill. If you get a small amount of donation from the foreign countries,
The whole thing is liable.
that entire organization can be taken over by the government. Then an administrator is appointed. That administrator can also control these institutions.
I think only 15,000 institutions are getting FCRI license.
And they're all RSS.
This is the clear design of their ideology. First of all, they done Waqf. Waqf is also same thing, to taken over the Muslim properties. Now they are targeting Christian properties.